Following the successful launches and warm reception for the mid-range champ Realme 6 series and the revolutionary Realme 7 series last year, the leading smartphone technology brand Realme Philippines is poised to introduce the latest addition to its powerful lineup of Realme number series that will offer users a full Realme tech life experience, the Realme 8 series. The Realme 8 series, the most awaited smartphone series of Realme Philippines, is coming to the Philippines on May 11, 2021. The best value mid-range smartphone for every Filipino, Realme 8 is equipped with Super AMOLED display, 180Hz touch sampling rate, Helio G95 processor, and the new and improved